Let's talk about water. What are the human-made elements of a water system? Human-made elements are those human interventions done to the natural systems due to, first, an economic activity. For instance, building dams to store water for agriculture or generation of electricity, land use change from forest to agriculture. Second, those interventions for human needs. For instance, drilling a series of wells, treatment plants, and drinking water networks to supply water for domestic or municipal use. Those human-made elements are related with, and I'm gonna start listing all the different components. So the first one is water diversions. So for example, there are wells to extract water from the aquifer, weirs that divert water from rivers into canals, pumps that divert water from rivers, water intakes in lakes to divert water from those lakes to cities far away. The second one is conveyance facilities. For example, aqueducts that move water long distances, canals that move water from these diversion points to fields, pipes that move water from rivers to houses or to water treatment plants. The third one is water storage. So for example, dams along the rivers to store water for later use for cities or for agriculture, tanks to store water, water barrels to store water at home, and so on. The fourth one is point of use. This can be cities where water is used for homes, industry and commercial buildings, agricultural fields where water is used to grow food, feed for animals, or crops for highly processed food. Many of the points of use require a land use. For example, from wetlands to agriculture, or from forests to residential development. The fifth one is water treatment. For example, drinking water plants to treat water for safe human consumption, wastewater treatment plants to treat water for its disposal or reuse. The sixth one is climate infrastructures, and these are related with levees for flood management, flood walls, coastal barriers, and sea walls are built to protect communities from flooding to withstand the impacts of climate change. And the last one is power generation. Hydropower plants often involve diverting water from rivers and then passing this water through turbines to generate electricity.